who this a blood clot taxi boy, you know. Me don't know who this a suck pussy taxi boy. Recover your mother big pussy. You can't tell me for recover. You know, put them around there, so. You want to pack up people like blood clot sardine. And my money me a blood clot pay. The big pussy taxi boy can't tell me what the blood clot do, but recover. And dictate and they are stinking mama suck good boy. Rank with me no taxi boy.
You're mad, man, you're mad. You're mad. You're not get the house. Watch the joke if you get the house. I have a key. Show me the key, this thing. You're not get the key. You're not get the key. Boy, you're PMP. Boy, you're PMP. I want to live at house. Who you too? Are you for starting? I'm going to tell you. Boy, you're PMP. You're PMP and I want to live at house. You're PMP.
What you pray? Nobody can tell me say them a rehabilitation program and a work. You see prison and jail. When them boy are going to prison and jail and locked down for years, you know, then come out a different person. You can't tell me say prison no change, you know. Look on Sean Storm and Mad Sus and Bobby Smurdoff. Bobby Smurdoff was the first one, but look on Sean Storm, you know. Sean Storm come out and I do video dance and I move silly with his daughter and them thing. The same thing with Mad Sus. And if they were here and never went to jail, they would never be that type of person. I never see them move silly on the internet with them daughter and I go like say, yo, you know what I mean? I never see that. Look on Bobby Smurdoff. Bobby Smurdoff go in a madman and come out back a childish kid. Prison, it work. Now how no boy need to go to prison more often and changing the bump class like as he free.
Uncle said Campari don't cost more than $1,500.
Wow. Give me money. Wow. I'll occupy this. Where you buy? Now, master shop. Wow. You want to but me kill people around me. No, people around me kill people. Where you buy? Where you buy? Now, master shop. Wow. You know me want to call but me kill people.
You are in a year when buy.
Wicked man this.
When him?
You want to know when you me kill for my money.
Guys, somebody name
you. Want to know when you.
That you buy?
Where buy this? Oh man. Wow. Road man, power man.
Power.
Back a long. And I reach one long one.
I'm a cat blue. Me tell you when buy. Where you buy? Campari. It in buy all the while.
I told money you want.
You know say I 2,008 for.
1 quarter buy. 1 bag of food.
Yes,
long
I
one.
2,008 for.
I do it feed.
I feed. Any one stay young so I feel but the long one I 2,008.
Yes, I
don't feed on.
Yes,
no race. In a race. People might have made over 1,005. 1,005.
A long time something matter.
6.
How much you pay for?
How much that my
Lennon don't sell it cheap, but Lennon don't sell it for 2-3.
Again.
Now buy. Me give my money. Me that cost. That much sir. I can't.
Huh? What you have to say to them?
And me have to say go buy cash pot. I want to fix that upon your belly.
You can't whatever. I want. Why people them say that you have to paint up yourself? What I run?
Lord.
So what you have to tell them? You don't know where you want from them?
No, me I go catch one woman to get some clothes over trees.
So tell them say you want some clothes.
Yeah, I want some clothes.
And you want food.
I want Satan.
Where do you Satan?
Spending.
You want money?
Because Satan, you know, me no have money, you know, the money then change when you're done with her.
Eh?
From me tell you, say, your brother can't something from foreign, you just a clean place like a long so.
You know want nothing from bumbuckler blacker man.
From me tell you, say, your brother can't something from foreign, come here. You just a clean up here like you don't sense. Eh? I see your friend be pooping from a foreign man.
I'm a one room, one tell me build round there, so.
I see your friend.
Blood clot pooping.
I see your friend be pooping, man.
Me not really pooping and that shit.
Me see him tell you, say, yo, the dog say, him a can't think for you from foreign, you know. And from me tell you that. You wake up before cock take off your jaws and start clean up your morning time.
Me want cement and black.
That you want?
That me want. Me no poop in and I no poop out. You don't serve for me and blood clot clothes. Me wear me have on.
Me have one next for straight to your teeth.
Nike better buy hike.
That's a true.
Or bike.
You don't believe?
Me don't believe.
Yo, turn down the fire, do something, eat to smoke, eat out the fire or something.
Go sit down in there now. I prefer to sit down in there out better and it out faster.
Mr. Pepper, from me tell you, say, man, say, yo, Pepper, you know, say, Dean say, man, can't think for you from over so do. From me tell you that, you just clean up here, you can't understand.
I your father eat that, man.
Go here, the banana tree, the man burn down. Excuse man.
I hold blood clot house me burn down. You talk about banana tree. You fucking lucky. You talk about banana tree.
So you're going down, where you don't sleep?
I'm going to sleep?
Yeah.
Ball ground.
Oh. The mosquito over there.
Well, make it kill me. I go over Tyrone or what's up.
The mosquito kill you, we don't have money for burial.
Well, I'll do your blood clot, bunny.
So
See, I come in, make a fire there.
Yeah.
You dash your ass body in there.
And bunny.
We tire.
And then we're going to do the ashes.
What kind of ashes?
We're going to go left.
The blood clot bury. I make it and see him till breeze blow away.
Where you want to close? Where you want to close? You say I get close from foreign. I'm basically I clean up your yard.
Get back on the clothes.
Now that me tell you, man.
What is? No clothes.
Where?
What is? No clothes.
Oh, I don't even know how you get them clothes. Bark clothes.
You better me wear all broke, more wear blood clot puppy now.
A brand new thing, man. Don't come closer. I can't believe it.
Brand new thing, black puppy now.
Yo, a brand new thing I get from finding a dog.
Don't want no brand new now, no whole thing now. No, me satisfy me alright with one.
Yo, believe me, me say some brand new shit I get
man,
dog.
move from yes, man.
Excuse
Move
me.
from yes, man. Move, man. Sure.
Excuse me, that's some brand new shit I get. No joke.
See him God Almighty thing, brand new shit.
Yeah.
You want no shit, man.
No, me don't mean like that shit. Excuse me.
You don't want no shit, Richie. Come like you're fucking haunted. You don't want no shit, man.
Excuse me, me don't mean like that the shit there.
See where you come put to me, shit. Puppy now. Shit. You don't want them to put on, man.
This a brand new shit. Me don't mean like shit where you shit.
Wait. You sick my stomach, man.
Who sick your stomach?
Yo.
I'm slapping your face now.
Slap your mama bum buckler. Slap her. Slap her.
I'm joking.
Slap her.
I'm joking.
Eh? You must have bright and fierce.
I'm joking.